Welcome, my name is Laura and welcome to the video companion to the ebook I Am, Fusing Yoga and Affirmations to Build Your Inner Strength. So we're going to begin with grabbing some oils to add to our practice. I recommend one of two for the feet to ground your feet, Valor or Northern Lights Black Spruce. Both will help you get grounded to have more energy toward working toward your dreams. And the other two I would recommend are Highest Potential and Gathering, and both of these help you reach for your higher dreams, to take you more toward the dreams of your life, your spiritual purpose. Okay, so grab whichever grounding oil you want, Valor or Northern Lights Black Spruce, and we're going to start by taking a couple drops into your hands and rubbing it onto your feet. Right onto the soles of the feet, and then hold your feet, close your eyes, take a couple of breaths. Think about what it is you really, really want. And see yourself there for a moment right now. Feel yourself there. And then think of an I am that is appropriate for whatever that place is for you. So what is a very short affirmation for where you want to be? Now go ahead and grab one of your other oils, Gathering, Highest Potential, any other oil that you have that you really, really enjoy. I want you to sit tall and bring your hands in as far as you need to, cupping them around your face. It can be, I don't have to go very far, I can already smell it. It doesn't have to be right up next to the face. Close your eyes. We're going to take 3 intentional breaths in, thinking about the life that we really want and saying our I ams to ourselves. All right, we're now going to meet in standing pose, and I'm going to take you through a series to help you embody this statement. So we're going to begin in Tadasana, and I want you to take a super firm stance in Tadasana. One of the most important ways that we can strengthen and embody our I ams and to make them more powerful is to stand in a power position. So have your feet hip width apart. Not wider, because that's going to be a weaker position, and not feet together, because that's really hard to balance that way. I want them hip width. Feel broad across the soles of the feet. Feel as if the feet are moving down to the floor as you draw the belly in and lift tall. Feeling open across the heart, shoulder blades down. Make those legs really strong. And again, you're drawing the belly in, lifting tall. You can turn the palms forward to feel your heart expand just a little bit. Feel strong, feel open, and take your gaze way off into the distance, like you're focusing on something 20 miles away. That will help your energy grow, which will help you feel stronger. Now you're going to externally rotate the arms, get really broad across the heart, lengthen the arms as if someone's pulling on them, and inhale, bring them all the way up. And keep those legs super strong as you lift the heart up and arc into the upper back. Feel expansive across the heart. Then bring the palms together, come down the front of the body. Make those legs really strong, feeling broad across the heart. Take your gaze way off into the distance, and you're simply going to reply with conviction, even if you don't feel it, fake it. You're going to say 3 times to yourself or out loud, I can, I can, I can. And then release. Separate your feet. Give yourself a super wide stance. We're going to move into warrior pose, warrior 2. Legs are really strong. Draw the belly in, bring your arms out. Externally rotate again, lengthen those arms, bring them all the way up into a pose I call starfish. So it's like a big old X. Make those legs strong, draw the belly in, reach to those arms, make your body really strong. Then palms are up as the arms come down to shoulder height. Feel broad across the heart. Turn the palms forward and keep them forward for a moment. Feel big and expansive across that heart. I want you to be huge. You're going to turn the feet to the right. So you're going to turn that left foot in just a little bit, right foot all the way out. Now reopen through the heart here. And then go ahead and turn the palms down. Take your gaze across the fingertips of the right hand and bend the knee. Feel expansive, make those legs super strong. Take your gaze way across the fingertips of the right hand, gaze way off into the distance, and say your I am with conviction 3 times. And then turn the palms up, bring your arms up, turn the feet to the front, and we'll go right over to the other side. So you're gonna bring those arms out, palms are up to start, turn the feet to the hands to the front, turn your feet to the left, right foot in, left foot out. Feeling open across the heart, feel that expansion. Take your gaze across the fingertips of the left hand and bend your knee, moving into warrior 2. Turn the palms down now and take your gaze across the fingertips, way off into the distance. Say your I ams with conviction 3 times. And then straightening the leg, turn the palms up, bring them up and overhead as you turn the feet through the center. And you're going to inhale, arc up, feel expansive, like you're drawing in all of this energy. And then you're going to bring the arms out to the side, hands to the hips as you swan dive forward into wide stance, forward fold. Hands come down and go as deeply as you want. Let the front of your body soften. Legs are still super strong. And I want you to say to yourself, and I am so grateful. Feeling grateful for all that your I am statement entails. And then come on up. Lift up with the heart, hands to the hip hinge, come all the way up. Step your feet back together into Tadasana. Find that Tadasana again. Feet are hip width, feet are strong, legs are strong. Lift up through the heart, through the belly, lifting the heart. Turn the palms to the front. Can you feel the difference in your Tadasana already? You're going to externally rotate the arms, lengthen, inhale, bring them up. Lift the heart, arc up. Feel all of that huge energy come in. Bring the palms together down the front of your body. Take your gaze way off into the distance again. And this time with conviction, you're going to say 3 times, I will, I will, I will. And then release. All right, separate your feet. We're gonna do one more round. This time we'll do warrior 1. Give yourself a nice wide stance again. Legs are strong, draw the belly in. Inhale, bring those arms up and overhead, back into that starfish just to get the body really engaged. Palms are forward, legs are strong, draw that belly in, feel that extension. And then turn the palms toward each other, arms come up. You're going to turn your feet to the right. Left foot turns in just a little bit. Right foot turns out 90 degrees. Open that foot a little bit out to the right. Draw the belly in, lift tall. Twist toward that right leg as you bend the knees. And you're going to draw the belly in, lift up, arc up. And you're going to say your I ams 3 times. And this time you're going to send it way out into the cosmos. See it moving way beyond the moon. Just go for it. And then come back up, turn the feet to the front, back into starfish, make those legs super strong. Draw the belly in, arms are super strong, and then turn the palms toward each other as the arms come right back up, and turn the other way. Open your right foot out to the side a little, give yourself a little space between the feet to make this pose easier. Draw the belly in, up and around as you bend the knee. Lift up, and again, take your gaze way up. Send your I ams 3 times out to the cosmos. And then come back through the center, turn the feet to the front, legs are strong, lift the heart, arc up, swan dive, come forward, hands to the hip hinge, come all the way down, hands to the floor. Keep folding, legs are super strong. You can bend the knees if you need to, but keep the legs strong as you soften your face, the front of your body, your heart, and you say and feel gratitude. I am so grateful. And then inhale, scoop up, arms come out to the side. Lift that heart again, and palms come together. Next, now step your feet back together, back into your Tadasana. We're going to find one more Tadasana here, feeling broad across the soles of your feet, legs are strong. Turn the palms forward, feeling open across the heart. And then externally rotate the arms, bring them up and overhead. Lift the heart, arc up, feel all of that energy coming into the body. You're opening your heart, you're opening your hands, receiving all the goodness. And then bring the palms together down the front of your body. Take your gaze way off into the distance. And this time, you're going to say 3 times to yourself or out loud with conviction, I am, I am, I am. And then coming back into Tadasana, just take a moment, feel the difference in the body and the mind. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now you can redo this with as many I ams as you have. I recommend no more than 3 because it can get a little watered down. Or you can do all of your I ams each time. So you can repeat each one 3 times in each of the poses that we did. All right, I hope this helps inspire your life and make those I ams even more powerful. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.